MoneyGram offers three primary methods for sending money: online transfers through their website, mobile app transfers, and in store transfers at agent locations. Online transfers require account creation with email and identity verification. You'll need to link a funding source like a bank account or debit card. The process involves logging in, entering recipient information, selecting delivery options, and confirming the transfer. The mobile app mirrors the online platform but adds convenient features like biometric authentication, GPS location finder for nearby agents, push notifications for transfer status, and barcode generation for easier pickup. In-store transfers require a valid government-issued photo ID, recipient information, and cash for the transfer amount plus fees. Visit any MoneyGram agent location, complete the send form, present your ID and payment, then receive a receipt with the reference number to share with your recipient. Each transfer method offers unique advantages. Online transfers provide convenience and lower fees, mobile apps add portability and enhanced features, while in-store transfers offer personal assistance and cash-based transactions. MoneyGram's fee structure varies significantly depending on how you send money. Understanding these differences can help you save money on transfers. Bank transfers are typically cheaper than card payments, and funding source significantly impacts your total cost. Digital channels consistently offer better rates than physical locations. MoneyGram is experiencing a major digital transformation. 70% of new customers now prefer digital channels, reflecting a fundamental shift in how people send money. MoneyGram is investing heavily in emerging technologies. The company is developing blockchain integration, AI-powered customer service, expanded cryptocurrency options, and embedded finance solutions. MoneyGram competes with major players like Western Union, Wise, and Remitly. However, MoneyGram differentiates itself through its extensive cash pickup network and hybrid digital-physical presence, serving customers who need both convenience and accessibility.